In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zoom meeting as an Airbnb host. Vertical bar 2026 vertical bar step by step. As a host, Zoom is a simple way to offer virtual property tours, answer pre-booking questions, or handle check-in briefings. We'll walk through creating your Zoom account, scheduling the meeting, choosing the right settings for security and clarity, sharing the link with guests, prepping like a pro, and starting on time with confidence. Begin by heading to the Zoom sign-in or sign-up page. If you're new to Zoom, create a free account. If you already use Zoom, just log in. Zoom may send a verification email. Open it and confirm so your account is fully activated before you move on. On desktop, open the Zoom app or use the web portal and select Schedule a Meeting. Give your session a clear, guest-friendly title like Airbnb Property Viewing, June 5th. Set the date and start time, choose an appropriate duration, and confirm your time zone. If your guest is in a different region, it helps to mention the time in both your time zone and theirs when you share the link to avoid confusion. Next, configure your meeting settings. For Airbnb hosts, enabling a waiting room adds a layer of control so you decide who comes in. Turn on a passcode to prevent uninvited guests from joining. Choose mute participants upon entry so everyone arrives quietly and you can begin without background noise. A few optional settings can make things smoother. Recording the meeting is useful for walkthroughs or reference, but be sure to let guests know if you plan to record. Allow screen sharing if you'll present photos, a floor plan, or house rules. You can limit it to the host for safety. Consider whether to allow participants to join before you. This can help guests test audio, though many hosts prefer to admit everyone personally. Click Save. Zoom will generate a meeting link, an ID, and a passcode. Copy those details so you can share them easily and keep them handy at meeting time. Share your Zoom link through Airbnb messages for the most seamless communication, or send it by email, WhatsApp, or SMS if that's your usual channel. Keep it short and clear like, "Hi, here's the Zoom link for the virtual property tour tomorrow at 3 p.m. Avoid posting your link publicly to keep your meeting secure. Before the meeting, test your microphone and camera inside Zoom, confirm you're on a stable internet connection, and choose a quiet area. Have key property details ready and open any photos or videos you plan to show so they're one click away. If you'll do a live walkthrough, use good lighting, walk slowly, and show amenities clearly. At the scheduled time, open Zoom, go to meetings, find your session, and click Start. Admit guests from the waiting room if you enabled it, greet everyone, and you're ready to host a smooth,